I'm Mr. Makuban once again, and today I'm going to teach you more about the phoneinfoga. So phoneinfoga is a tool that is used to gather information or do information gathering from a mobile number or a phone number. So maybe you have a phone number that is texting you or sending you lots and lots of messages. So we want to do some information gathering about this number. Without wasting any more time, let me dive into it. So you can just install this phoneinfoga in your Kali Linux or in Windows. So I prefer using it in Kali Linux. So let me open my terminal here and log in as a root sudo su. Then I type my password over here. All right, we are in. So you can just install or find the installation code for this phoneinfoga from the GitHub. Maybe I will just drop the link below so that you can just click and install the package for phoneinfoga. So if ever you are on GitHub here, you can come here on documentation. You click on documentation here, get started. They should have the code here whereby you are going to copy this code and paste it on your terminal to install. Okay, here's the code. You can just click here and copy this link over here and paste it on your terminal for installation. But I have already installed this phoneinfoga in my system. There's no need to install it again. Maybe now what we can do is to read the manual of this phoneinfoga. We are going to type phoneinfoga channel. You read the manual of this phoneinfoga. So this is the manual of this phoneinfoga. You can read the manual over here. So now, without wasting time, let me dive straight into our topic for today. We are going to scan any particular number that I have for you here, but this number that I have is a random number, so you don't have to use someone's number. So I'm just using the random number so that I can teach you how to gather information from any phone number or mobile number. So now I have to do what? I have to scan the number that I have. We are going to type scan. We are going to type scan n, which is the number. So I have the number here. Let me paste my number. Let me paste the number here. You should include the country code of that number you are going to gather information about. You have to include the country code for that number. So you see I have dot phoneinfoga scan and inverted commas. This is the country code and then the number. Then I hit enter. Boom, we are in. So you see here I have some links about this number. You can see lots and lots of link over here. You can see Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. So let me check about the country. Let me check the country if ever. All right. Now this number is from China. You can see this one means China, which is CN. This number is from China. So this is the information about this number, meaning you can just do these few codes, number of codes to check the phone number about, to check information about this phone number. So from here, you can also run this on browser. You can also search for this number on browser. So looking at our manual over here, it says we can use the CV web clients here. So let me just uh, do this so that we can open this on browser and see. So I have phoneinfoga, phoneinfoga, save, save, you can call it save or save, VP, which is our port. So you can just give it a port number that we want. So I'm giving it port number 5000. Give it 5000 and hit enter. So now our server is on. We can just go into our browser, then we type localhost 5000. So we hit enter here. So now let us check or scroll for China and check China. Where is China now? And China is here. Then I paste, or let me go back to my terminal and copy this phone number. I have to copy this phone number here. Copy the phone number. I have to copy the phone number. Copy this phone number and paste it here. Paste and look up. So you see, this is what we have from the browser. You can just use it from the browser if ever you hate these lots and lots of command in terminal. So you can just come here on browser and do some search over here. So this one, it wants you to create an account to see this API. So I'm not interested in creating any accounts here. I just wanted to demonstrate this on how you can gather information from any number. So you can see we have the country over here, which is China. So this is how we can gather information about any particular number you want to gather information about. So please guys, use this wisely, don't use it for legal purposes. So if ever you see here, you have the link for Facebook, you can just copy this and paste it on your browser and do some navigations or data gathering from this phone number that we have. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel for today, guys. Please like and subscribe.